Race number 10, start a pick for event. Best of luck to all of you. Better stand by now for a dispatch. Gates open. They're up and racing. Tabita draws for your lead. Running on the outside, Por Favor. Then followed by Intelligent Eyes. Ariston next in line. Yes, Friday and Star Trek. As they race towards the half-mile pole, the course of the wind has been altered as the favorite. Por Favor takes command over Tabita in second. Intelligent Eyes racing in third. Yes, Friday is racing in fourth at this moment. Then followed by Star Trek as they race towards the 450. A solo leader, the top choice, Por Favor. This time increasing its marker to some 8 lengths. Running in second is Tabita. Yes, Friday. Moving up by the rail and down the stretch they come. Por Favor, this time by about 6 lengths. Followed now by Yes, Friday by the rail. Then comes Tabita with 100 to go. It's still Por Favor by about 2 lengths. Yes, Friday rushing up, moves up and winning this race over Por Favor. Then comes number 2, Tabita, Star Trek.